Fire TV remote not working? You don't need to rush out and buy a new one. You can usually fix yours in just a few minutes. To quickly pair a Fire TV remote, press and hold the Home button on your remote for 10 seconds. When the light at the top of the remote starts blinking yellow rapidly, it means your remote is in pairing mode. When the light starts flashing blue, it means your remote has been paired. If that didn't work, you might need to reset your remote instead. To reset your remote, unplug your Fire TV device from power and HDMI, and keep your device unplugged for at least 60 seconds. Then, press and hold the left, menu, and back buttons on your remote at the same time, and keep them all pressed for 10 seconds. Release the buttons and wait 5 seconds before removing the batteries from your remote. Then, plug your Fire TV device back in and wait until you see a screen that says, "We cannot detect your remote." It can take several minutes for this screen to appear, so be patient. When you see this screen, insert batteries back into your remote and press and hold the Home button for 10 seconds. When your remote is paired, you should see a pop-up notification on your screen. If your remote still isn't working, you can use the Fire TV app to control your TV or connect a new remote. First, open the app and select your Fire TV device. If you don't see your device listed, tap Set up New Fire TV. If you still don't see your device, make sure your smartphone is on the same Wi-Fi network as your Fire TV. Then enter the 4-digit code that appears on your TV. Once you connect the app to your Fire TV device, you can use your smartphone as your remote. Or you can use it to connect a new remote. Using the app, navigate to the Fire TV home screen. Then select Settings on the far right side of the menu bar. Next, scroll down and select Controllers and Bluetooth Devices. Then go to Amazon Fire TV Remotes and select Add New Remote. Then press and hold the Home button on the remote you want to pair. Finally, tap the Select button on the app remote. If these steps helped, please leave a like and subscribe for more easy how-to videos.